Hello friends, it's Funky Play Brothers, and please remember to subscribe to our YouTube. And today I'm unboxing and reviewing Mcfarlane Toys, Page Punchers DC Direct, New Adventures of Batman Red Hood. The Red Hood, that's probably my favorite Red Hood because Batman the Animated Series was the best Batman cartoon show ever, and this is from the comics. And it's Red Hood if he was in Batman the Animated Series. He does come with a rocket launcher, and for once he comes with a handgun, which is awesome because none of the other Red Hoods come with handguns. He also comes with a card and a book. And he has like a Red Hood symbol on his back instead of on his front. He also comes with a Jason Todd head. And several different hands, and a Red Hood batarang thing. He also comes with one of the New Adventures stands, so I'm guessing he does not have feet holes. And here's the comic. This is Batman, The Adventure Continues, DC Universe number 5. Here's the card. This card does have the Phantasm on the cover, as well as Deathstroke and Mr. Freeze and Two-Face. Basically, almost all of his villains. It says, real name Jason Todd. Gotham City is changing after Mayor Hill is killed by a mysterious assailant. Batman finds himself tracking down an ancient order that's long been buried under the streets of Gotham, the Court of Owls. An old face returns to the city looking to take back power after Mayor Hill's death. It does not mention anything about Red Hood, but probably Two-Face is coming to take Mayor Hill's place, if I had to take a guess. His handgun's out, and then finally the rocket launcher, and then all of his hands. So many hands. I like how the hands are detailed with the highlights, so make it look more cartoony. There's even highlights on the boots, so you can tell that they're boots. There. Alright. Yeah, no feet holes. And the Red Hood symbol on the back, kind of like the Red Hood bat symbol. And then here's his handgun that you can put in the little holster here, and the side satchel holster thing here. And then his rocket launcher he just holds. Here's his batarang. And rocket launcher. Then his Jason Todd head. With like a scar on his face. Now Batman the Animated Series, they went Dick Grayson and then skipped over Jason Todd and went straight to Tim Drake because I'm sure since Red Hood didn't exist yet, they didn't want to show Jason Todd getting killed by the Joker, since that's all that would have happened back when that show came out. And there's more hands. More and more hands. So many hands. and final hand. And then his little stand that's built just like the other New Adventure stands. And then you can put him on this. And there is a chase version of this Red Hood with just a black coat, and I think something else about him is different. But that one wasn't as cool as this one, and his stand fell apart. Well, I rate this figure a 10 out of 10, 2 thumbs ups. Because this is like the coolest Red Hood there is. So, friends, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Follow us on social media at Funky Play Bros and Funky Play Brothers. Support our vlog at cashapp at $$ Funky Play Brothers. Thank you for watching. Bye.